That was
wasn't
awesome.
a good one either.
Okay, go again. Think about it. Come on, warm up.
Now they're gonna come out in all like 10 days.
You're not stop. Holy shit.
What?
You're not stopping.
No. I need the big one to get it all out.
Oh dear.
How many stomach hurts?
So weird. Cause you're just like, oh.
I can't do good ones unless it's not bugging the shit out of me.
24 hours. Only handicapped people.
Oh. Really freaking hot.
There's no snow. Where's all the snow gone? I only just noticed the snow is like all gone.
Yeah, it's
That's
January.
a good thing.
Yeah.
Does all the snow leave in January?
No, it leaves in like March.
Well, why is it all gone?
Yeah.